What is the third problem here? So this is the third problem. What is the divisor here? 3 is the divisor. What is the dividend here? 69 is the dividend. Now, we have to find when did the number 69 comes in the third table. So when did the number 69 comes in the third table? All the tables we have learnt up to only 10 times. That is 3 tens are. So children, how much 3 tens are? 3 tens are 30 only. 3 tens are 30. But the given dividend is 69 and it is greater than the 10 times. So if the given dividend is greater than 10 times the number, then we have to start addition by taking each digit separately. So let us take the first digit in the dividend. What is the first digit here? So 6 is the first digit. So now take 6 and let us find how many times. That is, when did the number 6 comes in the third table? When did the number come 6 in the third table? So let us recall the third table. So if you take one time, that is 3 ones are. So children, how much 3 ones are? 3 ones are 3. And now take the 2 times. So that is 3 twos are 6. Yes, we have got the number 6. How many times? We have taken 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. If you take 2 times, we will get 6. So write this 2 in the quotient on the line above the dividend. So now multiply these 2. That is 3 into 2. 3 twos are, how much 3 twos are? 6. So write that 6 below the first digit and subtract. So 6 minus 6, children, how much? 6 minus 6? 0. So write 0 below the first digit. And there is one more digit in the 16. What is the next digit? 9. So bring down the second digit. So bring down 9. So bring down 9 here. Again, let us find when did the number 9 comes in the third table. When did the number 9 comes in the table? So now continue the table. So continue to write. So if you take 3 times, that is 3 threes are. Children, how much 3 threes are? 9. Yes, we got the number 9. How many times we have to take? We have to take 3 times. So 3 times 3 is 9. So write this 3 in the quotient beside 2. So write 3 beside 2. Now multiply these 2. That is 3 into 3. 3 threes are 9. So write the product below the second digit and subtract. That is a 9 minus 9. Children, how much 9 minus 9? 0. 9 minus 9, 0. So the remainder is 0. So what is the quotient here? The quotient is 23. The answer is 23. So children, so let us see the fourth division. The fourth problem is, in the fourth division, what is the divisor? 5 is the divisor. What is the dividend here? 55 is the dividend. Now again same process. So let us find when did the number 55 comes in the fifth table. When did the number comes the 55 in the fifth table? So we have learned up to 10 times only. If you take 10 times 5, that is 5 tens are. Children, how much 5 tens are? 5 tens are 50. So 5 tens are 50. But the given dividend is 55 and it is more than 10 times. It is more than 50. So if the given dividend is more than 10 times the number, then we have to do addition by taking each digit separately in the dividend. So let us take the first digit. So take first digit only. What is the first digit here? 5. So take 5. So let us find when did the number 5 comes in the fifth table. When did the number 5 comes in the fifth table? So let us recall the fifth table. That is 5 ones are. 5 ones are 5. Yes, we have got the number 5. How many times we have to take? 1 time. We have to take 1 time. That is 1 times 5 is 5. So write this 1 in the quotient above the dividend. So write the 1 in the quotient above the dividend. Now multiply these two. 5 into 1. It is 5 ones are. How much 5 ones are? 5. So write that 5 below the first digit and subtract. and subtract. That is 5 minus 5. Children, how much 5 minus 5? So 5 minus 1 is 0. And there is a second digit in the dividend. What is the second digit? 5. So let us bring down the second digit. So bring down the second digit. That is bring down 5. Now again find when did the number 5 comes in the fifth table. When did the number 5 comes in the fifth table? Again one time. If you take one time of 5, we will get to 5. So write again 1 in the quotient. Write again 1 in the quotient beside the 1. And again multiply this 5 with 1. That is 5 into 1. 5 ones are 5. So write the product below the second digit and subtract. So 5 minus 5. Children, how much 5 minus 5? 0. So 5 minus 5 is 0. The remainder is 0. And the division is completed because there is no third digit, there is no fourth digit. Only there are 2 digits. So the division is completed. What is the answer? The answer is the quotient. What is the quotient here? 11. So the answer is 11. So children, in this way, we can do the divisions of a 2-digit number by 1-digit number. So children, so let us see one more example for these divisions. So let us see one more example of that is a division of your 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. This is another model. So these are some, and this is another model in these divisions. So let us see the example. Here we have to divide 45 by 3. Here 45 is a 2-digit number and 3 is a 1-digit number. So now, so convert this sentence into division by using the symbol divided by. So first convert this sentence into division. So that is 45 divided by 3. So we have converted this sentence by using the symbol divided by. So now children, so same way, so same process. So what is the first number here? The 45. The first number 45 is called dividend. The first number 45 is called dividend. And what is the second number here? The second number is 3 and the second number is called divisor. The second number is called divisor. The first number is dividend 45 and the second number 3 is called divisor. Now arrange these numbers in the division method. So now arrange these numbers in the long division method. So how to arrange these numbers? Already we have practiced in the previous problems. So first arrange these numbers in the division method. So first write the dividend at the middle. So what is the dividend here? So 45 is the dividend. So write 45 at the middle. And put a bracket at the left side of the dividend. And what we have to write in the left bracket? We have to write divisor in the left side bracket. What is the divisor here? 3 is the divisor. So write 3 in the left side bracket. So now draw a line above the dividend. So draw a line above the dividend. And what we have to write here? We have to write quotient here. So children, now continue the division. How we have to continue? So here what is the dividend given here? The dividend is 45. And we have learned all the tables up to 10 times only. What is the 10 times 3? That is, if you take 10 times 3, that is 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. But the given dividend is 45. And it is more than the 10 times 30. So the given dividend is more than 10 times 3. That is more than 30. If the given dividend is more than 10 times the given divisor, then we have to start division by taking each digit separately. So first take the first digit. So take first digit in the dividend. What is the first digit here? The first digit is 4. So let us find when did the number 4 comes in the third table. When did the number 4 comes in the third table? So did the number 4 comes in the third table? So let us find. So let us recall the third table. So that is 3 ones are 3. And if you take 2 times, that is 3 twos are 6. And if you take 3 times, That is 3 threes are 9. So children, look at the third table. Here, we did not get the number 4 in the third table. We did not get the number 4 in the third table. Then what we have to do? So if you did not get the number in the third table, then take the least number. So here, what is the 3 and 6? But here we have to 4. So children, so if you take 6, it becomes more. So take less times. That is, you take less number. So what is the number less than 4 here? The number less than 4 is 3. So take 3. So take 1 time. So children, do you understood? So if the given number does not get in the given table, so here 4 does not get in the third table. So if the 4 does not get in the third table, then how many times we have to take? So we have to take. So how many times? So we have to take. So the number less than. So the number less than the given number. So what is the number less than 4? The number less than 4 is 3. So we have to take just before number for its number. What is the before number 4 here? The before number for 4 is 3 here. So now we have to take 1 time. We have to take 1 time, and we should not take 2 times. If you take 2 times, it will become 6 and it is more than 4. So now take the lesser number for 4. What is the lesser number? What is the smaller number for 4 here? 3 is the smaller number. So take 3, that is 1 times. So write 1 in the quotient. So write 1 in the quotient on the line above the dividend. So now multiply these 2, that is 3 and 1. That is 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. And now subtract. So if you subtract 3 minus 4, if you subtract 3 from 4, that is, how can we subtract? So take 4 fingers and close 3 fingers. How many fingers are there remaining? There are remaining 1 finger. So if we subtract 3 from 4, we will get 1. And the number 1 did not get in the third table. So that's why bring down the next digit. What is the next digit? 5. So bring down the next digit. That is, bring down 5. Now let us find when did the number 15 comes in the third table. So when did the number 15 comes in the third table? So let us continue this table. So if we take 4 times, that is 3 4s are 12. And now take 5 times. If you take 5 times, 3 5s are 15. So 3 5s are 15. So now write. So we have taken 5 times to get 15. So write this 5 in the quotient beside 1. So now multiply these two, 5 and 5, 3 and 5. 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. So write the product below the dividend, that is 15, and subtract 15 minus 15, 0. So if you subtract 15 from 15, we will get 0. So the division is completed because no more digits are there in the dividend. There are only 2 digits and there is no third digit, fourth digit. So the division is completed. What is the answer here? The answer is the quotient of 15. So children, do you understood? So if you did not get the number in the table, we have to take the smaller number just before it. We have to take smaller number. Here we did not get 4 in the third table. We will get only 3, 6, 9, 12 and there is no 4 in this. So if you did not get 4, then take the number before it. So if you take 6, it will becomes more than 4. So that's why take just before it. So what is the just before it? 3. So now we have to take this, that is 3 ones are 3. So in this way we have to do this type of divisions. Now let us practice some more divisions on this model.